What's going on, guys? Derek from Legendary here. In this video, I'm going to dive into the broadcasting messages feature. So we're going to create some message groups out of message segments. So basically, message segments are going to be like our intro, body, outro. We'll put those together to form a message group, and then we can use those to broadcast messages to our list. So let's cover how to create message segments first. So you'll come to the Message Segments tab in the expanded Genius Messenger CRM window and click Create Segment. Title, I like to keep it simple. I'm just going to do an intro, and then I'll do a few variations. I'll do, hey, first name, add it, create another one. I'll do, what's up, first name, add that, and then I'll do one more. I'll say, hi, first name, add that. Oops, I forgot to save that one. So I'll do hi, first name. Make sure you click add block before you save it, and then save. And then I'll do body. All right, and then I'll do an outro. Hit save. So now we have our 3 segments. We can go to message groups and create message group. And this will be we'll click message segment here, intro, message segment body, message segment outro, add block, save. So now that will be our message. So it will rotate the different segments we created here. So it will rotate these 3, and then it will pick one of these 2, and then it will pick one of these 2. So it will randomize each of those, but one from each group will go out in each message. Then we can go to broadcast, create broadcast, and we can go based on a label. So if I want to go cold leads, we could filter by gender if we wanted. We're just going to leave that. Select interval. We'll do 2 minutes for this. If you were sending a lot, you'd want to go up to 10 minutes. But I just have one person in that label, and we'll select that message group we created. And you could limit the number of people for broadcast. That's probably a good idea. So you could limit it to like 20, and then it will pause. You could start it again later, and then it would pause again, stuff like that. And then you have some actions down here. So after the message is sent, sorry about that, you have some actions down here. You can remove tags, add new tags, add notes, or change the label. So what we're going to do is change the label to message number 1 sent, and we'll hit send broadcast. And then if we hit refresh on this, we're going to see we have this queued up, and it will tell us over time how many have been sent and the current status. So there's only 1 queued up total. None have been sent yet. It's going to schedule in 2 minutes. So it gives you the option to cancel it if you made a mistake somewhere. And then after that 1 sent, it will complete. So I could come back and refresh this if I wanted after it's sent, and I would see that updated here. And then in Messenger, I would see that message has went out. I think I'm going to go ahead and just delete this one just because I don't want that message to go out. I've already kind of talked to the person I tagged. But that's the basic process. So you can automatically change labels or tags and add notes as soon as you send a message. So if you set up several of these broadcasts, you can see you can completely automate your entire pipeline on Facebook. So create the message segments and then combine those into message groups. Obviously, you can have multiple message groups for different things. And then you can schedule broadcasts here, and you can see the status of these broadcasts over time. And anytime you hit refresh, it will update to the current status of those. So it'll tell you how many have been sent, so on and so forth. So that's the basics of sending messages automatically using Genius Messenger CRM. Again, this is highly effective, especially since people in these broadcast groups have already received the friend request and accepted it from Genius Connector, or if you've manually added people. You should label those so you know they're in this label. Select that label or tag if you want to select only those people to receive the broadcast, and then you can automatically tag them or switch their label and work them through your pipeline that way. At any time, you can see your overview here from the label screen of where everyone is in the pipeline. Again, you have your canned responses. as well if you want to send those manually through Messenger. But this is the way to automate your messages using the broadcast feature. So hopefully that's helpful. In the next video, I'm going to dive deeper into notes and give you some ideas of what types of things you might want to leave on your notes. So when you come back to conversations, those will be helpful little reminders for you. So that being said, hopefully you're getting pumped to start using Genius Messenger CRM, and I'll catch you on the next video.